All, I am Lakshmi Rakde. Good afternoon, all. I am Lakshmi Rakde. I am final year student of Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology. Today, I am going to share the PowerPoint presentation, which is related to the accommodation management. And the topic is energy conservation methods and eco-friendly concept in housekeeping. I would like to thank Sakshi ma'am and heartily welcome to all the students to attend this meeting. Can you go for next slide, Divyam? In this PowerPoint presentation, we will see the energy conservation methods, then various areas in the hotel where energy can be conserved, and different ways of energy conservation in a department. In part 2, we will see eco-friendly concept in housekeeping, then Ecotel certifications, green building practices, making housekeeping environment friendly, then eco-friendly gas supplies used in housekeeping, then eco-friendly cleaning supplies, cleaning agents, and some of the examples of ecotels in India. Can you move for next slide, please? First, we can see the energy conservation. What is energy conservation? Energy conservation is the practice of decreasing the quantity of energy used, and it also defined as the reduced consumption of the energy. Now we can see how we can conserve the energy. The energy can be conserved by the environmental 3 R's: the reduce, reuse, and recycle. Why it is necessary? It is necessary because it reduces the hotel's operating costs, it reduces climatic change risk, it promotes green tourism, and it helps the hotel to save. What is the role of energy conservation in hotel industry? First point, hotel staff should be aware of the concern regarding the consumption of energy. And second one is energy conservation guidelines should be thoroughly to the hotel staff, and guidelines on does and don't should be clearly mentioned. And then supervision, how the energy conservation is used and how the energy can be converted in our departments. To list the various areas in the hotel where energy can be conserved, the energy can be conserved in the food production department, food and beverage department, front office departments, housekeeping departments, and as well engineering department. And the energy can be converted into the form of light, into the form of water, and in the form of air conditioning. Different ways to conserve energy in housekeeping department. First, in guest rooms, turn off guest room lights when rooms are not physically occupied. Then second one, as much as use natural light when it is possible. Keep walls and ceiling walls clean for better light reflection. Turn off HVAC system when rooms are not physically occupied. And HVAC system, it means heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. Keep windows closed and curtain on. Minimize use of lights during night cleaning by switching on only those lights which are actually required to clean a particular area. Next slide, please. In the guest bathrooms, make sure your flushes work efficiently to keep from having to use the flush twice due to the faulty parts. This helps conserve water energy in the both with every flush. Then use of shower cubicles require less water instead of the bathtub. Tightening up on all the drips and drops in the hotel bathrooms. Conserve energy in the bathroom by using the recycled toilet papers, petrochemical free personal care products, organic towels, environmental friendly cleaning products, and CFL vanity bulb. It means compact fluorescent vanity bulbs. Can you move for next slide, please? In public areas, the energy can be conserved through use of compact fluorescent light bulbs, use of energy saver card slots, use of lighting sensors, use of dimmers in nights, and use of grey water system that covers rainwater or other non-potable water or site irrigation. Then use of aerated taps and water flow restrictors. Then use of timer controlled sprinkle systems and self-closing nozzle for the gardening. In this public area, we can use the water system into the gardens. Next slide, please. In laundry, have lights turned off when not in use. Don't leave water taps running. Consider using cold water detergents. It will greatly reduce the energy consumption. Airline should be checked for leaks. Shut off steam valve whenever machine is not being utilized. Switch off laundry exhausters when laundry is closed. Ensure that extractors are working properly. Incomplete extraction increase load on dryer and consumes more energy for the drying. Can you move for next slide, please? Also, the energy can be conserved in air conditioning. Installation of window film to lower heating and cooling loads and reduce glare in the guest rooms. The second point, use of proper insulation and reflective roof coverings. Next slide, please. Tips for energy conservation. First one is use of natural light, it means sunlight. Second one is artificial lighting. Then use of energy conserving bulbs. For example, HPMB lamps, high pressure mercury vapor lamps, that is lighting technology. HPSV lamps, high pressure sodium vapor. It is generally used in street lights. Use CFL, compact fluorescent lamp. Then fourth one is use LED light emitting diode. Then use energy efficient heating cooling system with the thermal efficient buildings. Use minimum glass areas on the east and west exposure. Use draperies and sun films on window to cut down on air conditioning cost. Use heat reclaiming equipment in air conditioning plants. Heat from them can be used as heating water. Minimize electric loads from appliances and equipment, and the sensors can turn off lights and fans if the room is not occupied. Next slide, please. Now we can see the eco-friendly concept in housekeeping. What is eco-friendly concept? Eco-friendly concept means earth-friendly concept, or it not harmful to the environment. An eco-friendly concept is mostly seen in the ecotels that make crucial environment improvements to their structure in order to minimize or reduce their impact on the environment. In such ecotels consist of recycled, renovated buildings with upgrade to conserve energy and water, minimization of waste, incorporate natural landscaping, or utilize recovered building materials. The eco-friendly concept can follow the 3 R's of environmental conservation, that are reduce, reuse, and recycle. These are the some eco-friendly housekeeping methods. First one is we have to use the environmentally friendly housekeeping product. Second one is practices for cleaning, proper disposal of cleaning chemicals, and third one is appropriate personal training. Next slide, please. Now we can see the difference between the ecotels and the normal hotels. Ecotels. What is ecotels? Ecotels are hotels that have made significant environmental improvements to their structure in order to minimize their impact on the environment. And normal hotels, what is normal hotel? A regular hotel basically provides paid accommodation, usually on a short-term basis. The main aim of ecotels is built to clean, environmental friendly hotels along with profit maximization and customer satisfaction. And normal hotels, the main aim of the normal hotels is to get maximum profit with customer satisfaction. Then Ecotels mainly products that are safer to the environment and causes minimum harm to the society and environment. Normal hotels prefer branded or known products in order to maintain their image. Then the waste materials in the ecotels are differentiated as dry and waste garbage, and they are recycled and used properly. In normal hotels, usually the waste which is generated in hotels are thrown away as garbage, and no recycle systems are adopted in normal hotels. And construction of hotels, the ecotel hotels are constructed based on eco-friendly aspects and eco-norms, and the normal hotels are constructed based on posh look or outside appearance. And then effect to the environment, the ecotels effect is no or minimum harmful effects and environment. Ecotels always protects the ecology when the normal hotels indirectly cause harm to the environment. Can you move on next slide please? What is ecotel certification? Ecotel certification means it is a hallmark for the environmental sensitive hotels having an ecotel certification. It says that the hotel is completely eco-friendly. The ecotel certification is based on the 5 areas of the environmentalism, and which is also designed by the global award. These 5 areas are referred to as the cornerstones of the environment and responsibility, and simply it is called as globes. The 5 globes are as follows. First one is energy conservation, second one is water conservation, third one is solid waste management, fourth one is employee environmental education, and fifth one is environmental commitment. Can you move on next slide please? What is green building practices? Green building practices means an ecotel should be a green building, also known as ecologically sustainable buildings. These buildings can promote resource conservation by including design features that encourages energy efficiency, use of renewable energy, and water conservation. Some key objectives of green buildings are protecting occupants' health, improving employees' productivity, efficient use of water, energy, and other resources, minimalistic impact on the environment. Can you move on next slide, please? Making housekeeping eco-friendly. How we can make our housekeeping department eco-friendly? First point, should switch off lights and fans that are not in use. Should immediately report and leaky faucets or pipes. Employees should ensure that the taps are closed to minimize the effect of air conditioning or heating. And biodegradable detergent should be used in department. Use biodegradable and eco-friendly chemicals in all cleaning and laundry operations. Use non-toxic cleaners, sanitizer, paints, pesticides, and so on throughout the hotel. Gas supplies and amenities should be biodegradable and eco-friendly. Minimize the amount of paper used for each guest. The housekeeping department can source and purchase linen made from the organically grown produce. And water from laundry can be treated and used for the watering plants. It means to in the gardens. Next slide, please. Eco-friendly gas supplies and stationery used in housekeeping department. In housekeeping department, what are the stationeries, eco-friendly stationeries used in department? First one is whenever possible, buy guest amenities in bulk and use refillable dispensers for hair and skin care products. Buy guest products that certain recycled materials. And for guest stationery, use recycled paper products. All guest supplies like soap, shampoos, foaming bath liquid should be biodegradable. Then provide morning newspaper in public areas, which can reduce paper waste by 60%. Replace paper hand towels with air dryers in restrooms. Last one is consider the use of hemp fabric for duets. The hemp fabric means it is a type of textile that is made using from the from the stalk of the cannabis sativa plant. Then do-it truffles. Then eco-friendly cleaning supplies. Why we can use eco-friendly cleaning supplies? Because the green cleaning products have positive environmental attributes like biodegradability and low toxicity, low volatile organic compound contents, and then reduce packaging and low life cycle energy use. Can you move for next slide, please? In our housekeeping department, we also use these eco-friendly cleaning agents like Diversey, eCover, EcoMe, Velis, Puracy, Pure Home, and Ecos. Can you move on next slide? First one. These are the examples. These are the examples of eco-friendly hotels in India are as follows. The first one is the Orchid Mumbai. Second one is Goddess Mumbai. Third one is Fun Hotels and Resorts. And the fourth one is Raintree Hotel, Chennai. The Orchid is the Asia's first ecotel hotel. It is a prestigious hotel or leading landmark in the city of Mumbai. The Orchid conducts various events to spread the awareness on the environment-friendly practices and educating the local community to adopt the sustainable practices. Some of the events are conducted by the Orchid Hotel, Mumbai are as follows. The first one is Nirmalaya Composting Initiative. Second one is Beautification of Mumbai with 18 gardens. Third one is school students visit to the hotel. And fourth one is Advanced Locality Management. And the fifth one is World Environment Day on 5th June and Earth Day celebration on the 22nd of April. Can you move on next slide, please? If we can see the eco-friendly concept, so the bins are used for earth-friendly collections and recycling of the waste. The yellow one is for the plastic, the red one is for the metal, the green one is for the glass, and the blue one is for the paper. I would like to recommend you all keep calm, reuse, reduce, and recycle, and save our environment and protect our environment. And I would like to recommend one thing: at least plant one tree at our home to protect our environment, to save our environment. Thank you. If anyone has any question, please ask me. Or if anyone knows any new conservation methods or new concept in housekeeping department, you can also share.
Thank you so much, Lakshmi.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So once again, good job, Lakshmi, as usual. So this is a second presentation for our students. So the topic is really very relevant for today's era, and you covered all the important points. The message which you gave basically is reduce, reuse, and recycle. And I think this is the today's survival mantra. This is the sustainable mantra which everybody has to follow in this time of pandemic. I think it is very important for all of us to follow these practices at our end and save Mother Earth and save all natural resources which we all are using. So very well done. Good job. And thank you, Divyang, for your technical support as usual.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Lakshmi.
Ma'am, I think last time and today, I think I missed some topics. So last time, Girish told me you missed some topics. So if he's there, he can tell us some information about that topic, ma'am.
Girish, are you there? Yes, Girish is there. You all can start your videos. Yes, Girish, would you like to say something? And if anybody from the group, Chandan. Vedant, anybody from first years, Abhishek, Mayuri, if
No,
you have
ma'am.
any queries, Chetan,
No, ma'am. She has
please
covered.
start your videos. Yes.
No, ma'am. She has covered all the points and all the topics, ma'am. So it is
Okay,
very easy
okay.
to understand, ma'am.
Yes, yes, and very difficult to follow, I must say. The moment it becomes easy to follow, things will be very simpler and very easy for all of us. So anybody, Divyank or anybody, if you want to have any comments, Abhishek, Chetan, Vasu, see, you all are going to be tomorrow's managers. You all are going to be future managers. So I want that all of us should learn new techniques and new ways. And we all need to inculcate these things in our day-to-day working and in our obviously in our professional life. And I feel that we all have the onus. We all should devise or should do something which will definitely contribute to our society and to our community. There are many ways coming, in today's article only, I really admire the newspaper Hitwar, where one big page was given to the e-waste, which is produced after COVID-19 pandemic. And you won't believe it is such a huge tons of e-waste which has produced, especially the medical waste which has been produced after COVID-19 treatments and all. So people really need to think that where that e-waste which where e-waste we are going to throw, what are we going to do with that e-waste, right? So they have requested all of us that whatever technology we are using, it's fine that we all are very techno savvy, and we all the moment any new phone comes in the market, all of us want that, yes, that should become mine, right? So it has been very kindly suggested that please don't change your mobile phones or your computers or your technology unless and until it is outdated, or unless and until it is not needed, it has gone, it is out of order, right? Because that is going to save a lot of e-waste and a lot of computer waste which is coming out. All right, so these are small steps we all can take, and as it is said that charity begins at home, so it starts with us only with these practices. So let's pledge everybody that we all follow eco-friendly practices, and definitely try to save Mother Earth so that we all can be saved. That is what I have to say. I would appreciate if anybody is interested in saying something, saying few words for our today's webinar. Chandan, you all can start your videos for a while so that Divyang can take screenshot, or anybody can take the screenshot and share that screenshot. You all can start your videos for a while. All the videos are on, Divyang?
Yes, ma'am. Girish,
Yes.
Girish, turn on the video. Girish, Abhishek, Vedant, Mayuri, please turn on the video.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, so I think we all should stop here. And I hope that this webinar would have been very useful to everyone. And first year students must have heard this trend for the first time. And I'm sure this will be very much helpful to them. And it would definitely add on to your wisdom.
Yes, ma'am,
So
definitely.
thank you. So thank you, Lakshmi, for your wonderful presentation as usual. Thank you, Divyang, for your technical support. So we'll stop here.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for this golden opportunity.
Yes, most welcome, most welcome. Thank you.
Thank you
So
so much, ma'am.
I shall end the meet now.
Thank you, everyone.